Hello Xhorse fans, today we'll continue to talk about the new Condor XC-002 Pro, and we'll show you how to cut a HON66 key using this very new machine. Calibration. Before cutting, always make sure the machine is well calibrated. To start, we insert the original key with the help of a guiding block. And we're going to use a shim to make sure the key is well aligned. Then insert the key blank to the right. Now, we are ready to begin height level adjustment. Press down the main handle and check the indicator light. So we should just follow the direction of the light and rotate the micro adjust knob. When the middle light turns green, we finish the height level adjustment. If you don't have a shim momentarily, there is another method you can apply to ensure the accuracy. We can also use probes of the same specification on both sides. Press down the main handle and rotate the handle to lock it. And you can utilize the probe and cutter of the machine for key alignment. Replace the cutter back and adjust the micro adjust knob until the middle light turns green. Okay, now we've completed the height level adjustment, and let's move to the next step. Preparation. Before we start cutting, we need to take a look at the clamp. There are 3 marked positions at the bottom of the clamp, A, B, and C. Sealed in the clamp and make one triangle direct to the line depending on your need. Then turn on the power switch of the cutter and adjust the speed control knob to a suitable speed. Cutting. After getting everything ready, now we can start duplicating the key. Press down the main handle and start cutting. Now we've finished the one side of the key. Turn off the power switch of the cutter. Clean up the clamp and flip the key. Similarly, align the key and finish the height level adjustment of the other side. Then turn on the switch to cut the key. Do not forget to turn off the power. Now we finished the cutting, and we have a new HON66 key.